got work to do. Oh my, there's so much to do in the boutique. Oh, will you girls help and be my models? Great! Now that Millie and Melody have said they'd help, all I need is you! Come on, let's get to work. First, take one of the bowls and hats and drag it to Millie. Big old bowl. Now pick any item of clothing. Ballerina dress. Every great outfit needs shoes. Just pick a pair and drag it to Millie. Glamorous heels and finish up with some accessories. You know how to do it. Heart purse. Guess what? You can change colors and add patterns to parts of your outfit too. Just choose the ones you want and try them on the item. Come on, it'll be fun. Yellow. Oh, and don't forget to dazzle. Just pick some gems and then click anywhere to add some extra sparkle. Diamond gem. Click the camera button to save your outfits. You can look at them later in your photo album and even print them out if you like. If you need my help, just click the help button anytime.